This year, during Puja, me and Rima went out for a road trip.
Happy
Our initial plan was for Visakhapatnam and places around it.
112 kilometers that we have crossed till now, and Mr. Kaur will definitely assure as much as he can drive today, right?
Yeah, we don't have, we're not in a rush. Let's see how far we can go.
It's Puja holidays. We are on a Puja holidays.
We don't have any concrete plan. If we can cross Bhubaneswar and stay somewhere else, it's fine. And even if we can stay at Bhubaneswar, then also it's fine. We did our breakfast at Odisha border and resumed our journey for Bhubaneswar.
Lots and lots of diversions, and someone who's on this seat needs a lot of attention, and someone who's sitting on this seat needs attention too, but then she has to do something else too. What could be a best way to keep yourself entertained, busy? Music. We need music while driving. Right? Right, Mr. Kaur?
Yes, this is the music.
He hates this type of music. As we have arrived at Bhubaneswar, tonight we are going to halt in here. So here we are checking in. Hope the rooms comes to be good. Yes, it is indeed. Nice rooms. I loved it. What about you?
Yeah, it's great. It's great for one night stay.
Absolutely. And it's really cheap too. Yes, we got at a very good rate. We saw this online, but when we directly came here, we got a more cheaper rate. And yes, the only drawback this hotel has that it doesn't have its own parking, or else rooms are perfectly super.
Next day, we started early for Visakhapatnam.
It's a nice bright day, and it's almost 2.5 hours that we are driving. We've crossed Chilika, we've crossed Ramba, and we are nearby Gopalpur. Tummy is calling. We are about to have our breakfast, and there we'll take a break. It's been last 1 hour that we were being searching for some breakfast outlet, but unfortunately on the entire highway till now we've just entered Andhra Pradesh. There's no such place. We found out 2-3 places which are under construction, some are closed, so nothing is open, and now presently we are at Dhana Raju Family Dhaba. Yes, we found out this. It's a small outlet and we are really hungry, so we've opted for dosa out here. We're just going to fill up our tummy and then again we'll be back on road.
We reached Visakhapatnam in the afternoon and checked in.
you have to tap in. And yes, you are getting into the room. Yeah, now this is nice. You get to see the view of the busy city from the room. And we are at the Yarada beach. Look at the beach, guys. It's awesome. Yes, we are a bit late in reaching the beach, but even this view is superb.
Even I would say this is the best view during
The
sunset.
mountains there and the water meeting the mountains. It's fun. And the beach is actually so-called neat. You love it?
It's so clean beach. It's wonderful. Obviously, I love it. Later, we went to Arke Beach. It was very crowded, so we didn't spend much time there and returned to the hotel.
And guess what? There is a change in our plan.
And that change is that we are not going to Araku. We have changed our mind and we are going to Hyderabad.
Hyderabad! Yes! And there is a purpose that we are going to Hyderabad, but that secret is going to be revealed later. So just keep us joining on our roads. It's time to just leave the hotel and be on road.
On our journey to Hyderabad, we took a stop at Vijayawada for the night. Next day, we resumed our journey for Hyderabad. Roads from Vijayawada to Hyderabad is amazing. Driving on NH65 is pure bliss. Even tried cruise control for the first time, and it was awesome. Our first mission in Hyderabad was at Karachi Bakery. It is one of the popular bakeries in Hyderabad, known for its fruit biscuits and cakes. So we bought some for our friends and family.
Already told you that there's a reason for which we have come to Hyderabad. Once we reveal the reason, you might think that we are crazy. Yes, we are, and we love to be like that. And as I told you, in a very short while, we are going to reveal you our reason for craziness.
Yes, IKEA was the reason we drove 1500 kilometers to Hyderabad. Isn't it crazy? We had this wish for a long time to shop from IKEA. The store is huge. It's about 4 lakh square feet in area. You can buy home furnishings, furniture, lights and many more stuff from here. And it's not at all expensive. We bought lots of stuff, as much as Bruno can take, and drove home. If you don't know Bruno, it is the name of our car Ford EcoSport. While driving back, I was a bit worried about Bruno, as it was fully loaded. But I must say, Bruno performed brilliantly and we reached home safely.
হবে to everyone তুমি বললে তো মানে এবার কিলিং ইট দুজনকেই বলতে হবে কাহা পে লিখা हुआ
নেবে যাও আওয়াজ পাওয়াজ হবে তারপরে আমি
মোবাইলটা সাইলেন্ট করে দিই চলে গেল তো তুই দাঁড়া বলে দিস চলে গেল
Tummy is hungry. Tummy is calling. Enjoying some tea. Back problem. A fetish for washroom. And he didn't change his dress. He's going to wear the same dress.
let's meet you on the road.